Watch lovers, we're back with another video this week, and today we are taking a look at my 3 picks for skeleton dials. Stick around. Welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. This is Angel, and this week we're taking a look at my 3 top picks for skeleton dial watches. We'll have a manual wind and a couple automatic movements, but with some really unique features. So let's get right into it. The first up is our Corum Golden Bridge. Now, when you take a look at this watch, it is unlike anything else you've seen. It's done in the 18 karat rose gold, and you'll have a 51 millimeter top to bottom distance. So it really hugs the wrist very nicely. But my favorite detail about this watch is how everything is housed right there on that single bridge. They've done an absolutely gorgeous job of creating a hand engraved bridge there. You'll have the exhibition sides as well with the crystal all the way around. Of course, this is sapphire crystal on this watch. And probably one of my favorite details are the black skeleton hands on this model. Very unique. It looks even better on the wrist than in my hand, and just a great model overall if you want something that's going to be a conversation piece whenever you wear it. So Corum Golden Bridge, beautiful find. And just the fact that you can see those mechanisms of the movement going as we speak, it just adds that much more elegance to the watch. Next up, we'll get into the Tag Heuer Carrera Tourbillon. Now, the reason I love this is because not only do we have it at an amazing price point here at SwissWatchExpo, hop onto our website or give us a call on FaceTime and we would be happy to discuss and show you this watch close up. But the fact that this is a tourbillon, not only a tourbillon, but a flying tourbillon, meaning that you don't have any bridge kind of showing on the front side of that tourbillon function, and really high level watchmaking. That function was originally created by Abraham Louis Breguet, and then redesigned for that flying tourbillon feature by a master watchmaker at Glashütte. So to have this in a Tag Heuer, not only is it a rare find, but to have it on a racing watch, traditionally you think of Carreras and pace and timing and speed as seen here on the tachymeter. But you'll have the combination of both, which is a very rare find. The idea of tourbillons is to add that much more balance and accuracy to the watch because it is going to account for any kind of gravitational pull, no matter what way you turn it. So again, very high level watchmaking. To have a racing watch with that tourbillon feature is just outstanding, and one of the main reasons I love this watch. It also has a really nice large presence with that titanium and ceramic bezel there on the watch. Just a very well-made piece. And then, of course, you'll have that exhibition case back that continues onto the back of the watch. So you'll have some beauty on both sides. In-house movement from Tag Heuer as well, which I'm always a fan of. So a really great example of a skeleton dial watch. And then my favorite out of all 3 is the Zenith El Primero Defy 21. So the reason I love this watch is so many different reasons. I am a huge fan of Zenith. I am a huge fan of the El Primero movement, which was remodeled just recently in the past few years and implemented on this model. Very, very lightweight. It has that carbon fiber case, which already has some texture to it. So as you own it, you can wear it and get some patina to it on your own, and it's really just going to look better over time. This is absolutely gorgeous to look at. And not only that, but it has the 1/100th second chronograph feature or chronometer feature. So when you hit that pusher at the top, you'll see it's counting each 1/100th of a second. So cool to look at. And let's go ahead and stop that and reset it as well. And then you'll also have a power reserve indicator here at the top for your chronograph dials, which is a really nice feature. It's essentially 2 separate movements or 2 separate levers inside of the movement that kind of keep the watch going. And you'll want to know that displayed here at the 12 o'clock position. 44 millimeters across, but still very, very lightweight. and just an absolutely iconic design from Zenith with an iconic movement. So probably my favorite out of all three, if I could say so. You'll still have that gorgeous butterfly clasp on the back of the watch and that signature star that you'll see on the rotor there for Zenith. So three amazing models here at Swiss Watch Expo. We have a lot more to choose from. If you like skeleton dials, we'll have a nice Cartier in the black. We'll also have one in stainless and gold right now, but the skeleton dials are something that typically go pretty quickly, so we encourage you to give us a call here at the showroom. We'll meet with you via FaceTime if there's one you're on the fence about and kind of give you a tour of our showroom here. So again, this is Angel here at Swiss Watch Expo, and we look forward to seeing you on next week's video.